Hi everyone, I want to share this easy broccoli salad. We usually have these in the Russian weddings and stuff for salads. So to that we need some broccoli, raw broccoli, fresh, mayo, onion, garlic, and some craisins. They're dried cranberries. And so what we're going to do is we're going to chop it up a little bit into smaller pieces as these are too large. So we're just going to remove the stem and just kind of like have the mini sizes. And we're going to remove that and put that away, the stem. So and you just want to continue doing with all of them. So the salad really depends on how much you want. So if you want just a little bit, you can just, adjust to your size salad. So here's the ready broccoli. In here, you just want to slice thinly. You want to have them like, not into cubes, but kind of like slices, thin slices of onion. And you want to place it into your bowl with the broccoli. Here's the garlic. Mince the garlic, place it into a separate bowl, and we're going to mix that with mayo. So we're going to add some mayo. We're going to mix that before we add it to our broccoli. That's all done. And you can add more or less depending on your liking. So I added the mayo and then the cranberries, the dried cranberries. And all we gotta do is mix. And if you want some more mayo, go ahead, add some more. You can adjust to your garlic liking, but I think this is perfect. There you have it. It's so delicious. And it's best to eat same day. The next day it tastes good too. Maybe on the third day, not so much because of the mayo. But I'm sure you'll love it. This salad. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And enjoy this wonderful salad. Have a great day. Bye-bye.